How to share iPhone internet connection with PC via USB cable. So if you want to share your iPhone internet connection with PC via USB cable, then before you can begin this process, make sure that iTunes is installed on your computer. iTunes is necessary because it provides the correct drivers that allow your Windows PC to properly connect or recognize your iPhone when it's connected. If you don't already have it, you can download and install the latest version directly from the Apple's website. Once iTunes is set up, move your iPhone, swipe down from your top right corner from your screen, and open up your control center. From here, enable both cellular data and personal hotspot. These features will ensure that your phone is ready to share its internet connection with your computer. Next, you need to connect your iPhone to the PC using a genuine Apple Lightning cable or at least an MFI certified alternative. Using an uncertified cable may cause connection issues or prevent your computer from recognizing the phone altogether. After plugging it in, go to your computer and locate the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Disable Wi-Fi to make sure that your PC will rely only on the iPhone connection. Then press Windows and R keys together, which will open up your Run dialog box. After that, type Control and then hit the Enter. And it will open up your control panel. Inside the control panel, click on the Network and Sharing Center, which is right here. On the left side, you need to go and select Change Adapter Settings. Wait for a moment, and under the Ethernet connection, you should see your iPhone appear as a new network. Once it shows up, your computer will be able to use your iPhone's hotspot as a wired Ethernet connection. This method is especially useful, especially in some places where Wi-Fi is unreliable or unavailable. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.